Hi everyone, I'm hoping everyone is okay today. We are on the second part of how to start the accounting process using a lead sheet. We already have started one invoice in the first video, so let's go ahead and proceed. This is the first transaction, a supplier invoice. After this, we'll make a journal entry. We'll copy these details and transfer to our general journal. And again, from these details, we can create a ledger. I already have created the ledger in advance, and it'll look like this. So we will use this blue if it is a debit account ledger, and red to the credit account ledger. So what we will do now is we will just copy this first ledger and paste here. It'll go right away to our record for a trial balance. We'll take the same details, $3,500, and the same explanation. So the second ledger is still a debit account, so what we will do now is just copy this, insert, and we can change this. And we will change only the amount. Details are the same. So we will enter the credit account. Same details. Okay, so we are done with the first set of ledgers. Just try to look at this. Our trial balance with the accounts and both debit and credit. So let's go ahead and start for the second transaction. The second transaction is still a supplier invoice, and it is coming from Batman LLC. The invoice date is Feb 9th, and this is for the purpose of buying an office supplies. Terms 30 days. So what we'll do now is to make a journal entry. So we will just change this to reference number will be 0092. Date is 9th. This will become office expense. VAT and purchase will stay. The amount is 3395. Okay, and this is for Batman LLC. And this is for buying office supplies. Okay. And just like what we did in the first invoice, we will print this and we will attach in front of the supplier invoice together with a delivery note and a purchase order or a completion of service. Either way. So what will happen is, we'll just copy this and paste it here. Okay. So we will copy the details and transfer it to our general journal. This will be the same. No, 2. And this is 9. Alright, I created a what is this? An automatic control. If there's something wrong with the entries, especially for the amounts, it'll automatically make a red. So it is just keeping us a reminder. But let's just go ahead and copy this so it will give us a correct amount. Right, see what happened. And this is for and description. And the term for this is 30 days. Just try to look at this aging. It is already overdue, so we need to prepare a payment later. And after this, we'll go to our ledger. We'll make 2 debit ledgers. Go here. So we'll copy this. And I'll put that just below this account because the first is 6,850 and this office expense is 6,950. So at least we'll put it in sequence. Same details. Just don't forget the rightful amounts. Okay. And for the second, it is still VAT and purchase. We will just add this. And we'll add more because we'll be using this most of the time. Okay. So we are done with the second set of our ledgers. So let's go back and start for our third transaction. This is our third transaction. Based on what was given to us, this is a copy of the check from Mr. Ibrahim Al-Malik. Alright, Mr. Ibrahim Al-Malik is the owner of the company, and he made a check to the order of Mixer Training. The amount is 50,000 and it is coming from his personal account. He also gave us a copy of a deposit slip of the same amount. Okay, so the understanding is the owner of the company deposited 50,000 dirhams to his own company. So we will consider this as additional to his capital. Alright, so this type of transaction is we received money from outside. So we will label this as RV, receipt voucher. It is a reminder, if we received money from outside, it is receipt voucher. If we have released money from our bank to our supplier, we will label that as PV, payment voucher. Again, if we received money from outside deposited to our account, that is RV. And if we released money going out from our bank, it is PV, payment voucher. So we'll put this right away as RV0001, since this is first transaction for RV. And we'll make a journal entry. What we will do is change the label, receipt voucher, and this will become RV1. We will change this. This will be helpful later on. And the deposit date is 15th. This is deposited to our bank. So we'll go to bank. Let's say our bank is ABCD. The amount is 50,000. But we need to remove this. This will be helpful later. Okay. We will change this to the capital. All right. Okay. So I think everything is matching now. Okay. So if it is already correct, we're going to print this and we will attach this in front of these attachments. Alright, so again, this is the front page. Print this and attach it together with these attachments. And after this, we're going to make a template. This one, since that is the first file box for our RV, we'll put it one of the same thing and cut this and paste it in your file box like this. Alright, so we are done with our third transaction, but before we forget, we're going to transfer these details to our general journal. So it is RV 0001. This is 15th. And credit is okay. So we'll be using one line only. And then we will go to our ledger. So we'll just copy this. Because this is a debit ledger. I put this on top for the purpose of just following the sequence. Right. And this is 50. Sorry. Okay. Save. So we are done with our third transaction. We'll go ahead and check our fourth transaction. For the meantime, I will stop here for now. If you think this channel is helpful, please leave a comment below It'll encourage me to do more and to do better. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.